Welcome back to Mrs. Bam. It's my life. Okay, so tonight we're gonna be doing and talking about skincare for the woman over 35. Okay, that's me, that's she. I just turned 35 on October the 19th, and I was really thinking, you know, girl, sis, you gotta take better care of your skin. Even though your skin has improved over the last, 6-7 months, you gotta do better for taking care of your skin. You need to invest a little bit in some skincare because you know your ass is getting old. And I was right. I needed to invest. However, I didn't know how I was gonna get started until my lovely husband decided to buy me the Estee Lauder holiday kit, which came with a few skincare items that I love, but I don't buy because I feel like they're expensive and I don't have them kind of coins. But since he gave me a jump start, a running start, honey, I felt like I had a few things in my toolkit to get started with my skincare, and I just want my skin to look like Jane Fonda's skin, honey. The inspiration behind this video and doing better skincare, especially as an African American woman, is definitely from Aina. If y'all follow her on Instagram or YouTube, y'all know that she's really big on skincare. Like, she's delicious with makeup, but she's extra super delicious with skincare, okay? And it is true, you need good skin to get a good beat. And I noticed since I've been trying to take a little bit better care of my skin, my makeup looks way more flawless, and I actually use less foundation. And I don't even have to do a lot of correcting like I used to. So, you guys know that I got the kit and it came with a few skincare items, and I talked to y'all about them, so we're gonna talk about them again. I'm gonna reintroduce them to y'all, like, JC, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Bam. Oh, okay. Let me come back. Okay, so one of the things that came in there was the Gentle Eye makeup remover. Focus, y'all. This stuff is really good, especially if you're a little bit up in age and you like to wear heavy eye makeup. This is perfect because it doesn't pull or tug at your skin when you're trying to get your eye makeup off, and it leaves you feeling really clean and hydrated, and I love this. Another item that came in the kit, which I call crack in the bottom. Honey, when I used to get this, I would use it once a week so I could spread it out for 5 or 6 months or as long as possible. But it's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Y'all, if you don't get nothing else from this line, get this. This is the shiznit, okay? This is like crack cocaine, sex, all the bad things that feel good in a bottle. Like chocolate when you on a diet. This is it, honey. Need I say more? Also came in the kit was the Advanced Night Repair. Y'all, it take your bags from this to this, from this to this. I swear, like, you be like, where bags where? Bags where? Bags where? I love this stuff. Now, this is really good. Like, my husband I had some of this stuff, a full-size bottle one time that it's gonna be forever to use. And my husband had to take his, in the military, right before they go to a board, they have to take a official photo, and he put this under his eye the night before, honey, and he was looking fly. So he was like, that shit. He was like, I don't know what the hell that is, but I need to borrow it. And I was like, no, honey. You might have a heart attack if you figure out how much I paid for it. So no. And then we have a revitalizing serum plus. This is really good. Anti-aging. It is really good for your skin. If you're a more mature lady, now I know some people say, Bam, you don't look 35. Sis, I'm 35. I just got good genes. I got an aunt who mean as Satan. She's 72 and she look like 40. And I'm not trying to be in competition with her, okay? I'm still trying to look young and fresh. So that is why I have decided to invest a little bit more. Oh Lord. Dry skin. And just don't be all y'all were gonna tell me that I had a crust in the lip. I brushed my teeth, okay, before I did this video. You can brush your teeth at night, okay? I digress. So I decided to invest in some other high-end Estee Lauder skincare things. And what I decided to get is the perfectly cleaner multi-action foam cleanser, and you can also use it as a mask. You can use this day and night, and then it also gives you the option to use this as a mask 1 or 2 times a week or as needed. So I like the fact that this is multifunctional, and I've heard a lot of great reviews about this. And they have normal to combination, and then they have one for dry skin, and I'm normal to combination, so that's what I got. And I used to have super dry skin, but I feel like since I went vegan and I'm drinking a lot of water and not work out, my skin has kind of gone to combination. I'm not producing a lot of oil, I'm not having a lot of breakouts, so that's why I can use combination products right now. And it's also helped me to be able to use certain foundations that I could never use. Oh, thank you, Jesus. And then I got the Perfectly Clear Clean multi-action hydrating toning lotion. Y'all, get this. I need a toner to balance my skin out after I wash my face, no matter what it is. You need something. I used to think that these things weren't necessary, but they are. And Jackie said it. Jackie meant it, okay? Listen to Mama Jackie, okay? Check it, 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 check it. I like Jackie, okay? As y'all can see. But listen to Mama Auntie Jackie, okay? Because her skin is flawless. And we all know Jackie. We done seen your mama, okay? Your skin is flawless, but we know some of that is DNA 6, okay? I want y'all just to drip a little bit. I didn't be on some of us who wasn't blessed, but nevertheless, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to jump into this video. So I'll see you on the flip side. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right into this skincare routine, and we're gonna start out with our first product, which is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foaming Cleanser Purifying Mask. This is one of the best cleansers I've used on my face in a long time, and I am not mad about the price, honey. You will definitely enjoy this, and your face will thank you. Now, it says that you can use this as a daily cleanser, and you can also use it as a mask 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. I have not tried it in a mask form, but I would not be surprised if my face feels like butter after using it as a mask. I would definitely be repurchasing that product. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my face off with some warm water. I like to take a clean paper towel or a clean white towel and damp my face dry. I don't put anything else on my face after I clean it. So we're gonna go in with this cotton round, honey, and we're gonna get our life with the Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Hydrating Toning Lotion. And let me tell y'all, this is one of the best toners that I have used in a long time. I swear by this toner. I've purchased it before, but I definitely will be repurchasing it because it just made my skin feel good. It didn't feel tight, it didn't feel dry, it didn't feel irritated after I used it, and I haven't had that problem before using toners. Another reason I like to use a toner also is because it just helps to remove anything that's left behind. So our next product is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, and if you're looking for a good eye cream, this stuff is bomb, honey. Make sure you put a little bit on each eye, you know what I'm saying, like a pea size goes a long way. And you just want to move in a circular motion up and around your eye and just tap it in, honey, and it's going to make you look really refreshed in the morning. Okay, so now our next item is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Y'all know I swear by this, so this is something that I would definitely recommend purchasing all the time, and I will never ever go without this in my skincare routine because I have seen a dramatic change in my skin since I started using this. And you want to just make sure when you're using this, you massage your face, you rub it in, make sure you take care of that neck, you know what I'm saying, because your neck will age you, honey. You know what I'm saying? Keep that neck tight just like the rest of the face. Yes, honey. So our last and final item is the Revitalizing Serum. Y'all, when you add this in combination with the Advanced Night Repair, this is like putting butter on your face, honey. My face felt so good after using these two products combined. I'm definitely going to be purchasing a full size one as soon as them YouTube coins come through. If they come through this month, honey. Don't quote me. But when I get some more coins, I'm definitely going to go ahead and make a purchase of the full size product. That is my new and improved over 35 skincare routine. Alright guys, so I am done and my skin feels so amazing. Like, I can see why people use a multi-step skincare routine. Like, my face feels like butter. Like you definitely get quality when you buy higher end products. I'm a firm believer of that. But you know, this just feels really good, and I'm super excited to give these products a real run for their money. I'm also going to be testing out later on down the line. Mary Kay, as you guys know, I was going to start selling Mary Kay, but I didn't really like the interaction. Every time I tried to get into it, I just couldn't do it because I feel like the people were kind of shady. It's a lot of hidden costs, whole nother video, but I do have a full skincare line of Mary Kay that I'm going to be trying to. So I'll be doing that video maybe in a couple of weeks or something. But for right now, we're going to really focus on this channel on like skincare. I love doing makeup, and I'm going to do more makeup videos, but I really want to focus on skincare because, you know, if you got good skincare, your makeup is going to be flawless. And I believe if I was to go and do my makeup right now with this under here, honey, that stuff would dry. Okay, I feel like this would give me a flawless canvas, like how my skin feels now. It's not like sticky or tacky or all that real early stuff. Like, oh, this is good. Now, if you're looking for a lower end product and you're younger, I would recommend the Earth to Skin. If you're just now getting into skincare, I would recommend Earth to Skin. You can find it at Walmart. I did a review on it. I love it. I just felt like I needed to up my game a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what it is. You guys will be getting more skincare. I will be trying more high-end products because I'm just curious to see what my skin is going to do in a couple months if I keep taking care of her like I'm taking care of the rest of my body. You know what I'm saying? What is she gonna look like? She. I don't know how to vote, but I had to be striving, okay? So don't judge me. And go check out Jackie Aina Skincare or catch her when she on Instagram. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about, okay? She don't have to wear makeup, baby, but when she do, it be... Okay, I'm trying not to be loud because my niece is asleep. I don't want her waking up, okay? Okay. Y'all gonna see when my nephew busted in on me at the end of this. Oh my God, he's a sweetheart. Good night.